Hi everyone, how are you all doing today? I'm Malok Anuwapo, the Montessori directress. Okay, so we're going to be talking about subtraction with short-based stairs. Subtraction with short-based stairs. Like in the Montessori environment, we have a lot of materials that we can use to teach our children different activities. Like we have a whole lot of material that we use to teach our children because we work with concrete objects. We don't just teach abstractly. We work with concrete objects so that they can see how to solve real life problem. We work with practicals. Like from the age of 2, we engage our children with practicals, a lot of practicals, so that when they grow up, they'll be able to think logically, they'll be able to think critically, they'll be able to solve real life problem, they're able to do a lot of things by themselves. Like I said, I used to say that one of the main purpose of Montessori philosophy or method of education is to build up independence in children, to build up their independence, their courage, their boldness that I can do this, because a man is not free unless he or she is independent. Okay, so number 2 is to make them solve real life problem. Yeah, we are teaching for long life experience. We're not just teaching for today, we are teaching for long life experience. So Montessori method of education is a whole lot. It actually builds up the totalness of a child, the wholeness of a child, the wholeness of a child. So if you have a Montessori school environment or in your environs, I will implore you or encourage you to take your child to a good Montessori school, because there are a lot of things that your child is going to learn, taking from the cultural subject, the language, the mathematics, the practical activities, and all. So today I'm going to be talking about short distance, subtraction with short distance. Look at it, subtraction with short distance. So like before, in my previous lesson, I showed you my short distance. I'm going to show you the short distance. So this is the short distance. As you can see, short distance. Number red represents 1. Red represents 1. Red represents 1. This is my red over here. My red bead over here. 2 represents green. 3 represents pink. 4 represents yellow. 5 represents blue. 6 represents purple. 7 represents white. 8 represents brown. And 9 represents blue. So we're going to be talking about subtraction with short distance. How do you go about subtraction with short distance? First of all, you want to introduce material to a child. You make sure that the work cycle is observed. Make sure that your work cycle is observed. You invite the child to the shelf. Then you introduce the material to the child. Then once you introduce the material to the child, you allow the child, you can work on the table or you can decide to work on the floor mat. Montessori is an environment that allows children to explore. You can work on the floor mat, or you can decide to work on the table mat. Okay, so what do we do now? So you introduce the child to the material and you show the child how to arrange the material, starting from number 1, red, then to 2, which is green, to 3, which is pink, to 4, which is yellow, to 5, which is blue. Once the child arrange the short distance like this to 9, so you now say, let's say 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1, you allow the child to bring out the 8th number from the short distance. So in our short distance, this represents 8. The brown represents 8. If you count the brown, you see that it's 8. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The child will bring out 8. Let's say 8 minus 1. So like this is 8. The child bring out 8 minus 1. We are going to cover the 1. We're going to cover the 1, so let's count the remainder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 7. Can you see? 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. So the next one is, let's say, 7 minus 2. Let's say 7 minus 2. So this is our 7. The white represents 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The child will bring out 7 minus 2. The child will cover 2. So let's do it here. So this is B. Let's count. What number of B is? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's say 8. 8 minus 8. This is 8. Take away 1. So what do you need to do is to tell the child is going to cover 1. It's going to cover 1. So allow the child to count the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 minus 1 equals to 7. So let's do another one. 5. Let's count. This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 1, or let's say 5 minus 2. This is 5. So the child is going to cover 2. It's going to count 2. 1, 2 by the right. So it's going to cover 2. When the child covers 2, can you see? It's going to count the remainder. Let's count the remainder. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. So 5 minus 2 equals to 2. Let's look at another one. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. You have the child needs to master what 2 represents. The child needs to master what 2 represents. That's why you're using colors, so that the child will be able to know, okay, pink is 2. This one is 2. This one is 2. This one is 2. So the child will be able to know that, okay, this represents this. This represents this. This represents this. So pink is 3. One of these has removed. So let's use another example. Let's say I'm still going to use blue. Let's say 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. Let's count. Let's remove 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Child will cover it. Then the remainder 1. So that's 5 minus 4 equals 1. So that's how to do subtraction with short base there. You can see it here. So we ask the child, if we want to subtract 5, we ask the child what color is number 5. The child will count it. The child has not mastered each color, or what number represents what color. He's going to just count until the child masters it. Okay, so let's do addition with short distance. Addition with short distance. For addition with short distance, we have 2 short distance. You arrange your short distance here, you arrange the other one there. So let's go. Let me say 1. Let's say 1 plus 7. You pick 1 from here, then you pick 7 from here. So you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me do another example. Let's say this is red. Red is 1 plus 5. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how to teach your child addition with short distance. Remember, addition with short distance, we have 2 short distance left and right, but subtraction with short distance, we have just 1 short distance arranged. Then you pick one number, then you take away the numbers and you write down the remainder. Have a nice day. I am Esther.